Alright, so we're going to swap this shell out. Obviously it's, missing the rubber pad right here. So what we're going to do, there's 4 clips behind this cap right here. So we're going to pop this up. So, then we're going to remove the battery. Put it there. And then we have to remove, there's a total of 6 screws. There's 4 here. And the size is S2T5. That's the size of the screw. And there's the other 2. So save these screws because we're going to need them. So we're going to split this in half. Remove the circuit board carefully. And then I tried removing the transponder, but there's not a safe way of removing it, so we're going to reuse this part with this kit. Okay, put the original back on. And this kit came with 4 screws, so we're just going to reuse the originals. the battery back in. And it's up to you. You could use the new back part, but I'm gonna use the original one. Clips right in, and then you could grab your original key and just put it back in. There you go.